Let's start by heading to Query Library. This is where we can access one of Vulgate's key features, which is the neural search. Neural search leverages AI to intelligently search the library, which is vectorized, making it easy for artificial intelligence models to understand. The model looks over that data and understands your query. This is much more powerful than just a standard keyword search. I'll show you what I mean. Let's type in early church councils. You'll see that it gives me a list of the earliest councils, sorted by relevance, based on our AI's intelligent understanding of the query. Before I demo the document viewer, I'm going to quickly highlight the keyword search functionality. So instead of searching for early church councils, I could do something like Constantine. I could put in any sort of string that I'd like, one word or more. And as you can see, I get results based on the exact keyword. At this point, I'm going to click in and start looking through some of these results. So once I click into a result, you can see it will pop open in the preview mode on the right-hand side. So the real advantage and another feature in Vulgate is that you can easily switch between different search results. This makes it very easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can quickly peek in and out of documents until you settle on the one that might be the most relevant.